Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pike County in west central Illinois, central Rawls County in northeastern Missouri, northwestern Pike County in northeastern Missouri until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spencerburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected. Here is your abbreviated National Weather Service forecast for northeast Missouri and west central Illinois, including the cities of Quincy, Hannibal, Pittsfield, and surrounding communities. This afternoon, breezy, warmer. Showers and thunderstorms. Storms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. High in the mid-60s to lower 70s. South wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 80%. Again, the forecast for northeast Missouri and west central Illinois, including the cities of Quincy, Hannibal, Pittsfield, and surrounding communities for this afternoon, breezy, warmer. Showers and thunderstorms. Storms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. High in the mid-60s to lower 70s. South wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 80%. At 4 p.m. at Baldwin Field in Quincy, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 62 degrees. The dew point was 60, giving us a relative humidity of 93%. The wind was variable at 6 miles an hour, and the pressure was 29.60 inches and falling. Tornado watch number 531 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Adams, Brown, and Pike, and the following counties in Missouri: Lewis, Marion, Monroe, Pike, Rawls, and Shelby. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 531 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Adams, Brown, and Pike, and the following counties in Missouri: Lewis, Marion, Monroe, Pike, Rawls, and Shelby.
This storm is awesome.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pike County in west central Illinois, central Rawls County in northeastern Missouri, northwestern Pike County in northeastern Missouri until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spencerburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bowling Green and Frankfort around 4:55 p.m. Torrance around 5 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Louisiana, Pike, Atlas, and Pittsfield. This includes Interstate 72 between exits 31 into 35. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southwestern and west central Illinois and central and northeastern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southwestern and west central Illinois and central and northeastern Missouri. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for southern Adams County in west central Illinois, northern Brown County in west central Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Are we going to get a tornado?
I wouldn't doubt it. There's the rotation right there on radar.
So it is rotating?
Yeah, it is definitely rotating.
Right out there?
Yep. You got other chasers up there watching it too.
Yeah.
I got the severe thunderstorm warning, but I'm surprised it's not tornado warned yet.
But we got a tornado watch. We're under tornado watch.
Yeah.
So I don't know. My buddy was on his way to church and seen you guys sitting there and talking
Was he?
about it. Yeah. So I was like, well, let's go see what they got to say.
Yeah, but everybody's just kind of watching that.
That right out there?
Yeah. So this is a velocity on the bottom radar there, and whenever those two colors touch each other and rotate, that means rotate.
Which one's top?
Right there.
The green
The red and green.
the red?
Yep.
Okay.
So whenever they touch together, that means that it's rotating.
Okay. So
So.
turns that into gray.
Yep. Pretty beautiful storm though.
Yeah, I mean, it looks beautiful. I just don't want another tornado.
Yeah.
I've worked through one.
When was the last time you guys got hit by one?
No, it was when I was in Shelbina, Missouri.
Was it?
2008? Yeah, 2008. There was one headed straight towards the high school.
Damn.
Yeah. Luckily it cleared off, but still.
It's easier to chase Illinois than here, because in Illinois we just have flat. Here's a bunch of hills and trees.
Probably a lot easier over in Kansas too.
Oh yeah.
You go over there or?
I do, in the spring. I'm studying meteorology, so
Okay.
whenever I'm not working, this is what I do, storm chase. Yeah. It's pretty expensive in gas, but in equipment, but besides that, yeah, it's pretty fun.
You get paid for it or?
There's ways you can get paid. It's pretty difficult now because the market's oversaturated because there's so many people that do it now. But yeah, you can get with the brokerage company and then record, get good decent footage and then upload it to them and then they'll license it to media companies. So like news agencies, they'll buy your footage and then air it whenever they don't steal it. Yeah.
Just don't want it to do it.
Yeah.
We don't have a basement in my house.
So you don't?
No. Not at all. I mean, I can see where it's pouring out there.
Yeah.
Way out there. I can see that, but.
Snap a photo. So yeah, on the right there, that's your inflow.
All the way over there?
Yeah, so that's the inflow tail, and then
Over there? Where's those
Yep.
standard trees?
Yep,
Where that
up
light
there,
is blinking?
and then that's the inflow tail, and then that's where it's rotating right there, because you can kind of see the bowl lowering.
Oh, so it is
Yeah,
a tornado then.
it's not a tornado. It's
Okay.
just it's trying.
Oh, just crap going on.
Except if it does happen, it's gonna be hard to see because it's gonna be rain wrapped.
Yeah. I'm out here by the prison at the 6161 overpass. I'm talking to a storm chaser, and we got some rotation in the clouds north of Bowling Green.
We'll contact the National Weather Service and advise them.
It appears it looks like it's headed east.
Yeah, it's heading directly north. Yeah, it's actually heading directly east. Because there's the storm
Okay.
track right there.
Okay. I realize it's heading directly east. There is no funnel cloud at this time, but there is rotation in the clouds.
Received no funnel, but rotation heading towards the east. I'll advise the Weather Service.
10-4. Just keep going east.
Yeah.
I don't know anybody over there. But preferably don't destroy anything or anyone.
Right, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that is seriously. I mean, it's booking it.
Oh yeah. Because if you get the app called Radar Scope, it'll show you all the storm tracks, and that's indicating the rotation right there. Kind of hard to see, but
Yeah,
it's
where
got
that
2
dot
arrows.
is?
Yeah, it's got
Okay.
2 arrows there.
Yeah. You're a qualified storm spotter, right?
Yeah, I am. I took the class with the National St. Louis.
Okay, my sergeant just texted me. He's like, I didn't know you were a qualified storm chaser. And I was like,
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm talking to one right now, though.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I took the class about 2 years ago. It's a Yeah, I saw it up there. Was it?
so is it,
Yeah, they saw a tornado there. I was watching it while we were talking.
Now, when encountering flooded roads, post flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request a pass